Hey, I'm Mateo with WTI, and I wanted to share with you how happy I am with these plastic tumblers by Amazing Abby. They have been a great addition to our kitchen. They have a sleek, modern design that just looks like glass, so they look very elegant. I use them in any occasion. The great thing about them is that they're made out of a very durable, sturdy plastic. I have dropped them from 5, 6 feet high and they don't have any signs of cracks or scratches. So they're very durable. They feel like they will last a very long time. Even though they're sturdy, they also feel very lightweight, making them perfect for everyday use, whether I'm drinking water, juice, or even cocktails. They're perfect for using indoors or outdoors. One of the things I love the most is that they're dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning them effortless. Overall, I highly recommend these stylish, durable tumblers. I use them every day, and that is my point of view.